Have you ever bought a beautiful plant only to watch it slowly die because you forgot to water it? Or maybe you want plants in your home, but you don't have time, energy, or honestly, patience. Well, here's the good news. What if I told you there are indoor plants that can survive weeks without water, handle low light, and basically thrive even if you ignore them? Sounds impossible, right? But today, I'm going to show you 10 nearly zero care indoor plants that are perfect for busy people, beginners, or anyone who just wants greenery without the stress. And trust me, plant number 2 is almost impossible to kill. First up, the legendary snake plant. This plant is basically the king of low maintenance. It can survive in low light, bright light, and even if you forget to water it for weeks. In fact, overwatering is the only thing that can really harm it. So if you're the kind of person who forgets your plants exist, this one will still be there waiting for you. Bonus, it also helps clean indoor air and looks super modern. Next is the ZZ plant, also known as the set it and forget it plant. This plant stores water in its roots, which means it can go a long time without watering. Low light? No problem. Forgot to water for a month? Still fine. It's glossy, stylish, and incredibly tough. Honestly, if you can kill a ZZ plant, you might need to rethink plant ownership. Now let's talk about pothos, also called the money plant. This one is perfect if you want something that grows fast with almost no effort. You can grow it in soil or even just in water. It tolerates low light, irregular watering, and still keeps growing beautifully. Plus, those trailing vines? Perfect for shelves, desks, or hanging baskets. The spider plant is another beginner favorite. It's super forgiving and adapts easily to different environments. Even if you forget to water it, it bounces back quickly. And the best part? It produces little baby plants you can replant or share, so one plant can turn into many without extra effort. Next is the Chinese evergreen. This plant is perfect for low light spaces like bedrooms or offices. It grows slowly, which means less maintenance, and it doesn't need frequent watering. If your room doesn't get much sunlight, this plant will still thrive. Next is the cast iron plant. The name says it all. Cast iron plant. This plant is incredibly tough. Low light? Check. Neglect? Check. Inconsistent care? Check. It can handle almost anything you throw at it. If you want a true set and forget plant, this is one of the best choices. Now let's talk about Aloe Vera. This is a succulent, which means it stores water in its leaves, so you only need to water it every few weeks. It loves bright light, but doesn't need constant attention. And bonus, you can use its gel for skin care and burns. Next is the Jade Plant. This is another low-effort succulent. It's slow-growing, requires very little water, and can live for years with minimal care. Some people even believe it brings good luck and prosperity. So it's not just easy, it's meaningful too. Next is the peace lily. This plant is perfect if you want something elegant and low maintenance. It tolerates low light and doesn't need frequent watering. But here's the cool part. It actually tells you when it needs water. The leaves droop. Then after watering, it perks right back up. It's like having a plant that communicates with you. Last but not least, the Ponytail Palm. This plant stores water in its thick trunk, almost like a camel, so it barely needs watering. It has a unique, stylish look and thrives with minimal care, perfect for modern homes or anyone who wants something different. For lazy care tips, here are 3 simple tips to keep your plants alive with almost no effort. Only water when the soil is dry. Avoid overwatering, it's the #1 killer. Place plants in indirect light and leave them alone. Sometimes less care is actually better. So if you've ever thought, I can't keep plants alive, now you know that's not true. You just need the right plants. Start with 1 or 2 from this list, and you'll be surprised how easy it is to build your own indoor jungle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a fellow plant lover. And tell me in the comments, which plant are you gonna try first? See you in the next video.